But I've had somebody. I was coming down West Valley Highway.
I know. This nigga's like, we'll do it. We'll fix it. I'm sorry. Hey, man, bro, I can't. I'm like, fuck. I'm like, you know what? Yeah. I was pretty mad at you. Yeah. Bring a trailer or guys. Something like that. But even on that, I think they're which first year fine. I don't want to catch it. It's a good enough game that I think I'll play with. So it's like we were kind of on track to maybe finish by the end of the year, and now we have to move that up on 2 months' notice, up by 2 months.
See conditions.
Is Derek. Okay. He just, he has old cars.
Not a whole lot of customization.
overseas support, they have a direct account rep where they can
I just need to concentrate on one thing now. 50 things.
Right here. It's like one of those where the girlfriends don't listen to the boyfriend.
Well, I can't put it up. Well, yeah. It doesn't help when I'm getting tagged, bro.
Motherfucker, you can.
I really like working on the
The only video I saw where Vlad lost.